In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort customers on Whop. Whether you're managing a small business or a larger operation, organizing your customer list can help streamline your workflow and enhance your customer service experience. Let's dive into the steps to get your customer list sorted efficiently on Whop. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Whop dashboard. This is essentially your control center, where you can access all the important features of the platform. If you're not already logged in, make sure to do so using your credentials. Once you're in, you should see a sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where you'll find the option labeled Users. Clicking on this will take you to a list of your current users, providing a comprehensive overview of everyone engaging with your business through Whop. With the user list open, the next step is to focus on their memberships. Still on the left sidebar, you should see another option under Users, called Memberships. Click on it. This page is crucial because it allows you to see the types of memberships your users have, whether they're basic subscribers, premium members, or perhaps they have some other tier specific to your business. Sorting users by their membership type can help you quickly identify which customers are using which services, enabling you to tailor your interactions and offerings accordingly. Sorting your customers by membership type can be done by clicking on the column headers within the Memberships section. This action will organize your users in ascending or descending order depending on your preference. If you have a specific order in mind, such as organizing by membership level or subscription date, this feature will be particularly useful. If you need to dive deeper into your customer data, consider using any available filters. These filters can help narrow down your user list based on specific criteria, such as the membership plan, join date, or even user activity. This is particularly useful if you're trying to analyze trends or gather insights from your customer base. Remember, keeping your customer data organized is not just about making things look neat. It's about enhancing your ability to provide better service and make informed decisions. Regularly updating and sorting your customer list can ensure that you're always working with the most accurate information. And that's it. You've now learned how to sort customers on Whop. By following these steps, you can maintain an organized customer list, which can ultimately improve how you manage your business and interact with your customers. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.